welcome to BrilliantIT. Today's topic is how to create project font page design in Microsoft Word. I today's video I designed the full font page in a project report. So I show you how to do it step by step. So watch the full video and don't skip it. Okay. So let's start. First of all, you choose the page layout and you choose the size. Okay, at first you need your paper size, choose A4 size I choose, then your margin. You choose the margin, custom margin, you go to the custom margin. Then top is one is alright, left one, right one and bottom one. This is the setting. I little bit down in bottom one, 0.5. Okay, then okay. Okay, I 100%. Paper size is 100% now. First of all, in a home page, you go to the home, then you change your font. Font Sut I Time New Roman. I select New Roman. Time New Roman. Okay. So first, I write it down. Project report on. PRO project. PROJECT project report on. So select all, then 18. Okay, font size 18, then B for bold. Okay, I do the bold. Okay, then my project report on is, my subject is foreign revidence. Foreign, FOREIGN, foreign remittance, REMITTANC, foreign remittance. Okay, after that a study of Prime Bank Limited, LIMIT, Prime Bank Limited. Okay, so font size. So this one I use the bold, and this one also bold, and then I write it down submitted to SUBMITTED, submitted to. Okay, submitted to. Okay, this one is 20, font size is 20, this one. CONTROLLER, controller of examination, EXA MINATIONS, examination, control of exam, DHK, Dhaka University, Dhaka University. Okay, again I write it down, supervised by. Okay, the name is supervised by 20, SUPERVISCD, supervised by. This one is bold, then supervised by name of the coordinator. Okay, name of the coordinator, for example, name is Ismat Jahan. She's coordinator, COORDINT, coordinator. Okay, this one is not bold, this one is normal, and these three Okay, so this is a gap 1.5. I reduce the gap. First of all, 1, I select this one is a very big gap, so first of all I reduce the gap, then enter. Then again select this one is a very big gap, then here line spacing 1, then these two, I select these two, there is a very big gap here, then remove space after paragraph. See, after that again 20, font size is 20, SUBMITTED, submitted by. So this using colon, using colon, this one as well, then bold, then 18, font size 18 now, name, then registration number, registration number, name, registration number, then session, SASSION, session, measure means marketing, accounting, okay, subject. And for example this one is BBA program, BBA program, BBA program, professional, PROFESSIONAL, professional. Now your logo, university logo. So name of the university is Dhaka University. Name of the university, Dhaka University. I search in Google, Dhaka University. I search Dhaka University logo. Then I go to the image. Here, this is the Dhaka University logo over here. This takes little bit time. And save as. Control F. Okay, now download is complete. Then go to insert menu, then picture, then desktop. I download it desktop location. Okay, then I go to the picture, then I found this logo, F5. Okay, then what to do? You need to right button. Select the picture, then right button, then you select the warping test behind the text. Behind the text means you can move this picture anywhere. Then behind the text, I select behind the, see, now it is move anywhere. So like this. After that, write it down. For example, then yes, it's the right one. Then department, DEPARTMENT, Department of BUSINESS, Business Administration, ADMINISTRATION, Business Administration. And Dhaka University, DHK, Dhaka University, UNIVERSITY, Dhaka University. Date of submission, very important. Date of
submission, SUBMI date of submission. For example, date of submission is December, see, December uh, 20 December 20 2020. So now I finished my report. I have to do some work as well. Project report on a little bit big. Okay, font size is now 22. Then foreign evidence is alright. I think everything is alright at the moment, and I bold this one, date of submission. I bold this one as well. I hope you can do it yourself as well. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.